Asher's hiccups.
Look at him, he doesn't like it.
Well, you had him all the time in the belly. Oh.
I'm sorry. It's okay though. I know, they're so annoying. Can you see his face or is the blanket covering it?
No, I can see his face.
Oh man. Oh, you don't like
That was a big one.
You know. Oh. You should be used to those. Mom said you did them in her belly all the time.
That's so funny. We were just talking about the hiccups today.
Oh, that was a big one. Oh, little guy. It was like an Elvis lip or something. Oh, honey. Oh. I wish I could make him go away. There goes your head. Is that where you want your head? I don't know. It makes me nervous. I'll put you on your side just in case you spit up.
They sound so cute.
Look at his tongue. Those are just like, his whole little body shakes, kind of. Like they're deep hiccups.
Yeah. Like the kind that hurt, you know that they do. What are those? Are those crazy?
Believe it?
Are those crazy?
I wonder if in the womb when he hiccuped, like the walls would shake, kind of, you know? Oh, poor guy. Poor guy. Yeah. Oh.
We're going on 2 minutes of hiccups.
Yeah, you still have him, huh?
Well, if they're like, gonna be like Shane's hiccups don't go away for a really long time.
Really?
My drunk ups.
Your drunk ups?
Oh man, I've had those for probably 4 hours.
Oh, it's miserable. I don't think you're drunk. Are you, Asher?
Nope.
Poor guy.
They're so cute, I don't want to stop filming.
Yeah. Let's see those hands of yours. He has them like in little fists.
Yeah. His head's like as big as your hand.
Am I squishing his face?
No. Hi. Still have your hiccups?
Yep. I know, his whole head. Like my hand could wrap around his whole head. Oh, we did the lip thing.
Where'd it go?
Yeah, like looking at your dad too. It's like your dad has that. I'm trying to turn your head more. Oh man.
Okay, if it gets to 5 minutes, I'll turn it off.
Look at those hands. They're so pretty. Oh, I haven't had one. Oh, there it is.